Okay, first thing we need to do if we want to buy Bitcoin is we need to choose an exchange. Yes, an exchange that has decent fees and good fee and off ramp, so you can put your money on the trade for a low fee and then take it off. Whenever you want to, we know which is a good exchange. If it is Coinbase, that is probably the most highly regulated and trustworthy in terms of where it's listed. There are other exchanges that are very reliable as well. In DeFi, you will see all the exchanges that do something called proof of reserves. Binance has almost 90 billion in assets, 10x bigger than the rest. You can see these guys have put their cryptographic proofs that they actually hold all the assets that they say they do. So two ways to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies on Binance. You can either deposit through your bank or you can just use a card to buy, or you can also use our called P2P. I will be explaining that. Alright, so when you want to deposit through your bank or through your card, this is your Binance wallet. A link will be in the video description below where you have to create a Binance account. If you have not created an account before, you can use my link, my invitation link to create an account. And when you want to deposit, first of all, when you want to deposit, like when you want to buy, you can see NGN, which is the Naira, is actually supported by Binance, Visa, and Mastercard. So you can buy directly with your card. But in the cases where it's not supported, you can always swap to a stable currency and then you buy. Alright guys, so like I said, buying directly with your doing transfer directly with your card with your bank is actually cheaper than using your card to buy, because your card is actually more expensive, so you have to transfer to your bank. And when you transfer to your bank, then you have to move it to the exchange wallet, move the fiat to the exchange wallet for and buy the cryptocurrency that I want to buy. So you can buy any amount with the USDT or choose the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. If you have currency supported by the bank transfer, you can do it. Every action is going to be the same. There is a trading screen where you can go and trade your fiat cryptocurrency. So if you're buying with Naira, click on it here. Choose the amount you want to buy. If you want to use the the BUSDT, or you can choose the amount you want to buy here. You can see all these are supported by Binance. These are all cryptocurrencies. But the USDT Tether is actually the easiest and the most popular. You can just search it here. USDT Tether. Okay, so let's say you want to buy probably around 10,000. Okay, you can see you can just click on buy, and when you click on buy, you can see you just have to input in your card and it will indirectly be debited from your account. Then you have to click on confirm. So you can always buy through your master or your visa card. That's how to buy directly with the bank, and you move it to the cryptocurrency exchange platform and buy any cryptocurrency that you want to buy. And if your currency is not supported by Binance to do the bank transfer, like I said, you can always swap it to a stablecoin. A stablecoin is a crypto form of a fiat currency. So we have many stablecoins. We have most popular, which is the USDT Tether. We have the USDC and so many stablecoins. DEO, but you can always use the USDT, which is actually very, very easy. So buying Binance, you can buy either through your bank or through your card, and you can also use the P2P, where you have to buy a stable coin, a stable currency, a stable coin. Then you either swap it to the Binance that you want. Okay, so this is how easy it is. So when you use how to put your card and you want to buy, just go straight to buy, and you have to input in your card details and you to be debited automatically from your account. So right now, when you've actually created and the worth of the USDT you want to credit in your account, and this is your exchange platform like Binance, next step you have to do is move straight to the market, where you can see this is the market. This is spot trading. You go over to the spot trading, and when you go over to the spot trading, you can see we have whole lot of cryptocurrencies here and a whole lot of currency pairs of cryptocurrencies, and we can choose to trade any other one we want to do. So when you check out the screen and you go to the trade, and you can see that these are the currency pairs that are supported by Binance. This is crypto trading. So now you can see if you're in the UK, there's also a direct trading between the pound sterling and BTC. And since you want to buy BTC, let's look for a BTC pair. This is BTC slash USD, which actually one of the easiest, like I told you. If your currency does not, the fiat currency is not supported by Binance, you can always swap it to a stable coin like USDT, which is actually very faster like this. And if you click on the BTC slash USDT, can see that this is a BTC slash USDT. You can see the current value of BTC slash USDT. BTC is around $28,000 and 108.39 currently. You can see this is how it is. This is the market value. So when you want to buy, now you have to click on the buy option over here. Alright, so this is spot trading we are using, and like I told you, you have to look for the currency pairs that suit you. And if your currency pair is not supported, you have to swap it to a stable coin and use it, and use it to trade with the spot trading. Like I said, the spot trading help you swap the currencies that you have complete ownership of, and you have control of the whole thing and everything there. You have control over it. So this is the, just imagine you're buying BTC slash USD. This is the currency pair you're buying. Okay, BTC slash USD. That means you're buying BTC with USDT stable coins you have in your wallet. And like I told you, you can use the main market to buy. And this is actually directly, you just have to input in the currency that you want to buy, the amount of USD you want to buy, and you just buy directly. The main market buy BTC directly with the exact market price. So, but I always advise use your limit, because the limit allows you to bargain the price, and you choose the price that you want to buy and when you want to buy at the exact time. Because the market, you just buy the market, sometimes you can lose by buying directly from the market, because you can just buy high and the price will just go down directly. So when you buy with the limit allows you to put in the price you want to buy, and when it triggers to that level, you'll be to buy the BTC that you want to buy. So that is how it is to buy, and it's actually very, very easy you want to buy. So when you click on it, you can see you click on it and you click on buy BTC. You can see you already have BTC already. You have already bought BTC. So congratulations, you've already bought BTC already. So what next? Now you have to keep custody of your BTC. Keeping custody of your BTC, you actually need a wallet. Yes, we have two kind of wallets. Basically, we have two kind of wallets. We have a software wallet and a hardware wallet. A software wallet is basically simple. They're just like applications you keep in your phone, and the hardware wallet is just like, we have Coinbase, we have Trust Wallet. These are basically hardware wallet, and they allow you to save your BTC offline. So you can use any of the wallets you want to use and save your BTC offline. So basically, this is how to buy BTC. Now you have bought the BTC. When you buy the BTC, like I recommend, you always have to make your own research. You can go to your iOS store or your Play Store, or even work with Android and search the kind of wallet you want to use. But basically, Coinbase is actually good wallet. Trust Wallet is actually a good wallet, even though it's run by a centralized body. It's actually decentralized. You can save your goods offline, your cryptocurrencies offline, and everything work out so fine. So if you want to withdraw BTC, it's actually very easy. All what you have to do is go to to the wallet you are saving your BTC. If you want to withdraw your BTC that you've bought already, you just have to go to a wallet that you're saving your BTC, copy the wallet address and paste it there. So that is basically how simple it is to buy BTC. Actually very simple. Just download the Binance, which is actually one of the best exchange platforms you use to buy BTC. We also have some exchange platforms. You can check them all on DeFi, on Coinbase, and KuCoin, and even Bybit also. But I basically recommend Binance because it has over 90 billion worth of assets and 10x more than the rest, and so on. So when you buy on Binance, you want to withdraw. Binance is an exchange platform, not a wallet address. Also, so I recommend you use Trust Wallet actually, because Trust Wallet is run by Binance, so it's run by a centralized body, but it's still decentralized, and all your details and everything will be offline. So basically, it's actually very easy to buy a coin. Like I said, you can buy through your card or through bank transfer. If it's not supported by Binance, you can always swap it to a decentral to a stable coin. We have so many stable coins, but the popular stable coins that we all use is the USDT Tether stable coin and the USDC stable coin. So when you swap it there, you go to your spot trading, you search your BTC, and buy BTC directly with the currency pair USDT or any other currency pair that best suits you. And when you buy BTC, you already have BTC in your exchange wallet and exchange platform. And when you want to transfer it straight to a wallet like Trust Wallet and Coinbase and the rest, you can just copy the wallet address and you'll be charged some blockchain fee depending on the BTC network and depending on the amount of BTC you want to transfer. So I trust to watch the video and you understand the video. Give me a like button. I'm Benjamin Abraham from Benjamin Today. Thank you for watching.